Hey everybody, I'm out here in the middle of Oklahoma with my buddy and we're gonna ride some dirt bikes. And if we're gonna ride dirt bikes, we better bring a GoPro. So today I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the GoPro Hero 6 Black, and another GoPro Hero 6 Black in the Karma Grip. Everybody knows the new GoPro Hero 7 Black has the HyperSmooth stabilization, and that's what I'm going to be testing out today. I'm going to do another video with some other features later, but this is all in 4K, so everything you see is in 4K, so swap over to Chrome or Apple TV or something and watch this in 4K so you can see the quality. I'm going to be using GoPro, their flat picture profile on all these, and then color grading them, so you can check that out as well. But again, I'm going to do a more thorough video on the 7 Black later, but today we're just going to see how these handle some dirt biking out in the middle of nowhere. So that's the footage from all 3 cameras, and I even threw in a stabilized version of the 6 one that I did with Adobe Premiere. Now all of that was color graded in Premiere as well, but let me know what you think about that in the comments. One thing to say though is that Karma Grip, while it might have great results sometimes and it has a lot of uses including slow-mo, the HyperSmooth on these GoPro 7s does not work on like the 120 and 240 frames per second modes. One thing about that Karma Grip though is it is terrible to wear. I mean, there's just no good way, and all the gimbals kind of suffer from that. Another big thing is the gimbals are not like water and weatherproof like a camera on its own is. But bar none, wearing that thing, having the extension grip in your pocket, any way you want to do it is just uncomfortable and miserable. So again, that's all 3 of these GoPros compared, the 6 with the gimbal, and then the 7 Black. Let me know what you think below, and if you want to see more GoPro stuff and other video and photo tips, subscribe, and then go find me on Instagram over at Brett in Real Life. I'll be posting some of this stuff on there too. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.